Hello, my name is Charlie James and today we're going to be looking at the thermal PTZ. So let's have a look in the box. Right, so when we open the box, what we are greeted with first is the fitting instructions. You've got your static free gloves that we should always wear. We have our ground anchor bolts because it is quite a big beast, so it does need to be anchored down correctly. Then we have our IP rated RG45 connection. We also have a very nice lightweight power supply to go with it as well. Now to look at the unit, on video it doesn't probably look that big, but when I put my hand in conjunction with it, you can actually see the actual size of it. So it's actually quite a big hefty unit, and also an amazing deterrent just by looking at it. Now what this is designed for, with the thermal and the HD fusion together, we can do things like fire detection and alarm, and this is where it's been used quite heavily, especially on some buildings that could be at risk, and areas like refineries and recycling plants, anywhere that there could be a risk of a fire. This will actually give you an early warning before you actually get any combustion. Now you've got full analytics built into this deal, so we've got full IVS built into it, tripwires, intrusion areas, and so on and so on, so they're all in there. It's an IP66 rated. You can tell it's good for the weather. It's got its sun shield and it's got its nice little windscreen wiper there as well, so we can actually clear the lens. When I say it's quite a hefty unit, it weighs just a mere 44 pounds, so hefting this up a ladder can be a bit of fun for you, so I do recommend a cherry picker. However, so let's look at the PTZ side of things. So it has 3 different modes. One of them is a 5 auto scan. You've then got 8 tours. You've then got 5 patterns built into it as well. Now this unit will actually work in -40, up to 95% humidity as well. So it's very, very tolerant on good and bad weather conditions. Now the detection range on this is a whopping 2.5 miles in pitch black. So if you need a good solution for perimeter protection, where you want to protect large areas, this is the one to look at. Available now from all PureTech branches.